Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a speed test between these two phones. On one side we have the new Poco X2, this is a 1-year-old phone, and on the other side we have this is the Redmi Note 3, this is a 5-year-old phone, and we are going to do a speed test between these two. So guys, let's begin. So as you guys can see, this is the Redmi Note 3. It is a 5-year-old smartphone. So yeah, this is going to be a fun video, so watch the video till the end, and I'll just show you what software we are running on both of them. On the Poco X2 we are running the MIUI 12.0.2 global version, and here we are using the Resurrection Remix 8.6.5 official ROM, which I have recently reviewed, so you can watch the video. There will be a card up available here. So these are the phones, and both are running on Android version 10. So yeah, that's great. It's good to see that Redmi Note 3 is running Android 10 so well. So yeah, we are going to do a speed test between these two. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so first of all we are going to do a reboot test, so we'll see which one boots up faster. So let's go. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, Redmi Note 3 shows up first. So yeah, obviously the Poco X2 is faster in the boot test. We'll start the speed test. So these are the apps on which we are going to do the speed test, and I'll just show you that both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi. As you can see, just goes here also. So both the phones are just connected to the same Wi-Fi, and I'll just remove all the apps from the background. As you can see, there are no apps in the background, and these are the apps on which we are going to do the speed test. So we'll be opening the apps at the same time, so we can know that which opened it faster. This is a crazy speed test. First we'll be opening Netflix. Okay, Poco X2, but there was not much difference, only 1 second difference between these two phones. Okay, then going forward next to the YouTube Music. 3, 2, 1. Here also the Poco X2, then YouTube. Yeah, Poco X2, but there was not much difference between both of them. Now it's a game, Subway Surfer. Let's see which one opens it faster. 3, 2, 1. Obviously the Poco X2, because it has a faster processor, 730G, and Redmi Note 3 has the 650 processor, Snapdragon 650, and which is a 5-year-old phone now. So yeah. Now going to the internet speed test here. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Poco X2 was way faster. Now we'll do the internet speed test at the same time. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Okay, both are giving the similar internet speed, but I am seeing that Redmi Note 3 is just killing it, man. Okay, here the download speed on the Redmi Note 3, it gave 31.4, and upload it gave 9.05, but the download and upload speed are both similar, 28 and 22. Now we'll do individual speed test. We'll test again, and now let's see how much we get it on the Poco X2. So I'll just speed it up. Okay, now we'll be doing on the Redmi Note 3. The Poco X2 got 63.5 download speed and 27.5 upload speed. Now let's see how much we get on this 5-year-old phone, the Redmi Note 3. Yeah, on the Redmi Note 3 we got the 55.2 download and 29.3 upload. So overall these speed are just similar, so not much difference. Now we'll be opening Instagram. Of course, Poco X2. Facebook. The touch response on the Poco X2 is higher, so it is opening faster on it. You can see Flipkart also. Poco X2. Then Amazon, yeah, Amazon also. Poco X2, here it was very much difference. The difference was big on in the Amazon. This time also Poco X2 was way faster. File manager, yeah, both was same. We will be extracting this zip file here, and 3 2 1. Okay, here the Poco X2 will just kill it. It's just killed, man. This is taking a long time. The Redmi Note 3, which was as expected, because this has a 5-year-old chipset and the phone is also very old now. Okay, now moving forward to the system apps. These are the settings, almost the same, slight difference there was. Then calendar app, okay, this was almost the same. Now WhatsApp, both were almost the same. Telegram, let's go to our channel. So if you still haven't joined the Telegram group, then there will be the link in the description below, so you can join the Telegram group from there. Okay, then now opening these apps, the dialer app, messaging app, okay, almost the same. These were almost same, both of them. Play Store, yeah, there was slight delay on the Note 3. Then Chrome app, here I have opened my blog already, so let's see which one loads. Okay, so yeah, obviously Poco X2 was faster. Now the camera app, yeah, both were almost the same. So yeah, this was it. So guys, yeah, this was the speed test between the Redmi Note 3 and the Poco X2. This was the performance. This was the only difference. There was the only 3 to 4 second difference between the app opening times. So yeah, the Redmi Note 3 is still performing much better. Like, it's a beast with the custom ROM. I'm using the Resurrection Remix, so you can check out the video. There will be a card up available here. So yeah, that was it. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.